Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony One price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Harmony One chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be watching for a successful retest of that key area of resistance before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.01965 mark and the $0.01391 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01498 mark. And I believe we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this wave 1 in a move that gave us a peak at around the $0.2985 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04817 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And this Elliot structure within the formation of this wave 3 is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side of being the Elliot structures, where we have that is the first wave, then a wave 2 getting into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, then we started this massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and I believe that is what is playing out here on the Polygon matic chart, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02998 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3 also, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation, and I believe that is also playing out here, having this as the first wave. Then we have also seen the low for this second wave, and I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of another impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, and then the wave 5 to fully maximize our target area up here at around the $0.03011 mark in the formation of that wave 3, and getting to see whether the second wave has done the minimum that we expected it to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized, and we lost the fib level 0.618, and since we had lost the fib level 0.618, I had to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, and right now you can see we are seeing a reaction of those areas here on the Fibonacci's, giving us this massive bounce to the upper side in what could be the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And the moment we managed to break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, and also see a retest, then continue gearing up, and also see a break above the highs at around the $0.02272 mark and the $0.02323 mark, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm watching here on the Harmony One chart. Continue watching our key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, because a break above that could trigger even higher prices and continue gearing up. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. We are trading at around the 62 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, you have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.